In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to add a country drop-down field with flag on contact form 7 like this. So as you can see, we have all these countries with flag within the contact form 7 form. So now let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure these two plugins are enabled, contact form 7 and Ultra Addons for contact form 7. How to install these plugins and configure these already covered on our previous videos. A link of those videos should be available on top of this video by now or on the description below. Now, first of all, you need to go to Ultimate Addons, all addons, and enable country drop-down field. So this one, we are skipping the pro version for now. Now let's go and create our form. Country. And here, let's keep your name, email. We can keep this. I'm naming this country. And within the label wrap, we put our country field. So you select this, and you can select your country drop down, make it a record field or not if you want, and insert. So we also have some pro options, like you can auto-prompt it using networks IP dynamic selection, like whenever someone selects a country, the states pop up based on that country and the city pop up based on the state selection. And you can also show a specific country list on the drop-down. So all these are part of the pro version. That please check out pro version's video for that. Now we insert the tag here, and let's publish it. Now that's basically all the settings you need. Now let's try to publish this form on a page. We paste the short code. Now let's view the page. So now there you go. So you have a country field here. If you select, we have all these country list. You can select Bermuda, for example, and you can see the flag is here. Well, let's say I want to write my country, Bangladesh. So as you can see, already the flag changed. So similarly, if we write India, so you see the flag changed. If we write Pakistan, flag changed. United States, flag changed. United Kingdom, flag changed. United Arab Emirates, flag changed. So yeah, so as you can see, we have all the countries here with flag. Your user can select or write down, the flag will appear with the country list automatically. And that's basically it. Oh, and one more thing is like, so you have to put this tag on the mail field so that user, so you basically get the user submission on your email. So you just need to copy this shortcode and put it on the message body. You can name it country, and you can just put save. So it will now go on your email with the country list, also on our database wizard. So that's basically it. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.